What's going on, guys? It's Mark with Red Star Loft. A little bit of a exterior update. I've actually been able to trim quite a bit of these branches here. They used to come down and hang basically past the roof on this side as well. So took an hour and a half yesterday with that pole saw and just cut a lot of that down on all of the trees. It used to be much more dense towards the bottom, so every little bit helps, I guess. So I'm giving the birds a day off today. They've been out the last 5 days. I'm gonna let them rest today. I'll actually give them feed in the morning today as well, and then we're gonna be back on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So figured I'll give you guys a look, especially at the young ones that I have over here, because my last quite a few videos have mainly been about these guys and the tosses and them flying, and look at how pretty he is. So yeah, overall I'm real happy with them. They fly real well. Yesterday I pushed every single one of them out, including the youngest ones, the third round. The only one that was left was the hen that's laying on those eggs there. So they were all out yesterday, and they did fantastic, honestly. So I'll give them some feed in the morning today. Give me 1 second here. Not giving them too much, just a little bit. That'll be good, man. When I feed them once a day, and it's 5:30 when I come home, and when I walk in here, it's a chaos. It's a panic. So, oh, sorry. Better get some. So yeah, these guys are doing great. I am super happy with them. They just need to keep doing what they're doing. We're gonna do a couple more tosses this weekend. And yeah. Watch them eat's one of my favorite things to do. Oh, better get down there. All right, let's pop in over here, change their waters. Just need to give them some feed now. These guys have actually been super picky with their feed. I'll come in here and let's see, it's probably going to be the same today. Oh no, look at that. They actually ate it. Yeah, it's usually never that I come in here and that for my breeders that all of their feed is gone. So let me show you some of these guys. All right, got these blue bars up here. They're doing good. Keep to themselves, so to say, but yeah, got those two up there. A little bit longer and they'll be ready to come out. She is laying on 2 eggs in there. And she's about to lay any day now. My violent one. Yeah. If she already hasn't, she's about to lay any second now. Take a look at These are her young. the black cock and the yellow hen. There's one of them. Gonna be black like his old man. So yeah, they always feed well. Their birds are always chunky. I don't know if you guys remember the silver one that I unfortunately lost. He was hers, and he was the youngest and the biggest in there. So let me put him back. But it looks like I got fortunate, because wouldn't you know it, she gave me another silver, but this one has a little bit of red in it. You can see it down here, and you can see it on the wings. So I feel like this is gonna be a really, really interesting color in this little guy. So let me pop him back in. Can we look through here? She is laying on 2 eggs. They're hatching next week, I think. Yeah, next week, so we'll let her lay. These 2 guys here, that's the hen, and that's the cockbird. So those 2 there, these are their young. You're gonna attack me? They always, or pretty much always, give out the same saddlebacks. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna have another one like the ones over there. This pair always gives out some combination of red and white birds. Here's the other one. A little less red. This one might even be a little bit of a checker. But still, red and white nonetheless. Come on, let go. She is on eggs. Got 2 herself. And it's kind of hard to get in here. She's laying on 2 eggs. And this is the big youngster. Look at him. Another day or 2 and you'll be going downstairs. So beautiful, beautiful little bird. Doing fantastic, growing great. Got some white splashes around his face, as you can see. Sorry, I'm scratching my leg. No white flights on this one. No. So yeah, beautiful little guy. We'll let him go back in. Go on. And she is laying on 2 eggs. You can see him there. So yeah, he won't go in the other bowl. He is sticking with her and bothering her. So we got these 2 guys here. This was gonna be real pretty, I think. Look at all that white on him. And that's one of my Mona Lisas crossed with Deja Vu. And you can see the white head, the white flights, the white tail, if that's going to stay or not. But yeah, this one looks like he's going to be particularly beautiful. He's a few days younger than the guy I just showed you. So put him back over there. And this is the nest mate. And the nest mate happens to have no white on him. It is going to be a blue bar. It looks like it's going to be a really faint bar, but yeah. These guys come out with really dark features, really dark eyes, really dark beaks, really dark feet, so that's them. And in here, my two show pigeons. She's actually got two that I have to ban today, so I'll get that done in a few minutes. But yeah, I think these should have hatched today. I don't know if they did or didn't. I think they did. I feel like I just saw a movement. Oh yeah, look at that. Both of them are out. Let's see. Yeah. We got two in there that just hatched yesterday and today, so. Yeah. A lot of poop to clean in these boxes. But yeah, just figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a quick look inside the loft since it's been a little while. I was mainly focused on those tosses, so I do have a little bit of bad news. One of my blue bars, it's actually from that hen right there, from this nest box for last round. One of them had a little bit of a mishap, and I've had to separate them. So I'll show you that now. Let me just put this stuff away. But what happened was, I actually don't know what happened. I came home on my lunch break yesterday and I saw him laying down. Figured no big deal, birds lay down all the time. But then one of the other birds came to pick on him and he didn't get up. And as it turns out, I'm guessing he got into a scuffle with a hawk. Oh, this little thing that I built just to have, and it does come in handy. But as you can see, he is not putting any weight on his left leg. I've checked him out, I've looked all over, and I do not see any cuts, any blood, any missing patches of feathers. But he definitely can't stand on that leg at all. As you can see, he's hopping. I don't want to bother him too much, but he's a pretty bird. I hope he does okay. He's got feed and water here, less than a foot away from him. I do see him wobbling around, so he can't get to it, but I haven't seen him eat yet. The water's full and feed's full, so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, I'm guessing there was some sort of an altercation with the hawk, but at the same time, it is kind of weird because there's no sign of a fight. He just cannot stand on that leg. So we'll just let him be. We'll see how he does. And sorry. There we go. Let him be there for a little while, and don't want him to be picked on, but yeah, hopefully he'll do okay. I mean, I'm glad and I was surprised that he came back. He was inside the loft when I was chasing him. He didn't really even take off. He was just hopping on one leg, not leaving the ground, so we'll let him be. So anyways, that's it, guys. I'll do some more tosses this week, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.